Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to delete your Google account, your Gmail account. So the first thing you need to do is to log in your Gmail account and click on this Gmail icon as you can see on your Android phone or whatever phone you're using. Click on it, just tap on your profile picture icon as you can see right now on the screen. Tap on it. Now click on manage your Google account. As you can see on the screen, we are given different options, but the one we are going after is data and privacy. Now click on data and privacy. Scroll down till you see delete Google account. This one right here, as you can see on the screen, delete your Google account. Now click on delete your Google account. Now you will see Google telling you to first of all first verify it is you who wants to delete that very Google account. Input your password and click on next. That's how to delete your Google account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will get notified anytime I upload a video related to this kind of tutorials. Have a nice day.